Okay, so let's talk through where you would place your stop in the chart shown on the previous page. So we've got the chart here with the entry marked out. Our stop rule is the last pivot low before entry. So what we've got to do is we've got to see before entry, where is our last pivot low? So we have this bar here before entry. Is the low that I'm pointing out right now a pivot low? Well, we've certainly got a higher low to the right. Do we have a higher low to the left? No, the one on the left is not higher. Therefore, that is not a pivot low. So let's look at the next bar, this one here. Is that lower pivot low? No, because here on the left, we've got a lower low. And this bar, is that a low pivot? No, because this low here is lower. So what about this low right here? Well, we've got a higher low to the right. Have we got a higher low to the left? Yes, we do. Therefore, the low that I've indicated is a low pivot. That is the first low pivot before entry. And therefore, we would want to place our stop here. So what we're saying here is, if price had come down to this point right here, we would want to sell our position and get out of the market at that point. Okay, so I hope you got that right. So let's move over to the next page where we'll go through another example.